Welcome to you all, genius and curiosity come genius students in Kana math classes. Here I am going now to find out the differential equations of family of hyperbolas whose foci are situated on the x-axis and center is at origin. Hence, the equation of hyperbola whose foci are situated on x-axis and center is at origin. The equation of hyperbola whose foci are situated on x-axis and center is at origin is equal to x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now taking first derivative of this equation of hyperbola, this is 2x upon a square minus 2y dash upon b square is equal to 0. 2 will be cut both sides. Here will be b square x minus a square y dash is equal to 0. b square x minus a square y dash is equal to multiply by a square into b square into 0 will be equal to 0. Now here b square x upon a square is equal to y dash. b square x upon a square is equal to y dash, or most clearly you may convert this as y dash is equal to b square x upon a square. Taking the second derivative of this function, y into y double dash plus y dash, this again y dash means square is equal to b square upon a square, x means 1. Now here we will again transform this y dash upon x, and this will be equal to b square upon a square. Now taking second derivative of this part, we will take this as the product of two function y by x into y dash, y by x into y dash. So first function y upon x into d dx of this will be equal to y double dash, and the second function y dash, here it is numerator upon denominator, then denominator into dx of numerator y dash minus numerator y into d dx of denominator, yeah, 1 upon square of denominator, and this is equal to 0. b square a square, derivative of b square a square will be equal to 0. Now if you multiply this by x, you will get y double dash. Due to shortage of space on the blackboard, now we want to rub the upper part of the. Now if you multiply by x both sides, then this will be equal to y double dash, y double dash plus y dash within the bracket xy dash minus y upon x, this is equal to 0. Now again multiply by x y double dash plus x y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0. This will be the requisite differential equation of the order 2 of this system of hyperbola. Now in the continuation of previous questions, I am going to find out the differential equation of the number of circles or the family of circles whose center is situated on y-axis and the radius is given 3 units. It's obviously the coordinate of the center will be equal to 0b. Coordinate of the center will be equal to 0b and the radius is this. Now the equation of circle whose center is on y-axis, the equation of circle whose center is on y-axis, whose center is on y-axis and radius is r is equal to 3 unit, will be equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus b whole square and radius 3 is 3 square. The equation of the circle will be equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus b whole square plus 3 square, or x square plus y minus b whole square is equal to 9, or y minus b whole square is equal to 9 minus x square. Now if we substitute the value of y minus b So that's enough. Y minus b whole square is equal to 9 minus x square, and find out the first order of differentiation, means 2y minus b into y dash is equal to, here 0 minus 2x. This will be the first order of derivative of this function. 2y minus b y dash is equal to minus 2x, and in order to find out the second derivative we must utilize the value of y minus b in the form of this 9 minus x square. From this expression, the value of y minus b will be, but it has taken already here, y minus b whole square is equal to 9 minus x square, and that is 2y minus b y dash is equal to this much. Taking 2 as a common, here y minus b y dash by transfer it will be equal to plus x is equal to this, and now we may take up this as equation number 1, and here you will take y minus b is equal to minus x upon y dash. This is equation number 2. If you substitute the value of y minus b from 2 in 1, we will get x square plus y minus b. Y minus b means minus x by y dash. Minus x by y dash whole square is equal to 9. By substituting the value of y minus b from the equation number 2, that is minus x by y, in equation number 1, we will get x square minus x upon y dash whole square is equal to 9. This will again become this will become y dash square. Now y dash square x square y dash square x square plus x square is equal to 9 y dash square. 9 y dash square. 9 y dash square. Here y dash square into x square plus x square is equal to 9 y dash square. Now taking the second derivative of this, you will get by transferring this into left hand side. If you take common y dash square, this will be x square minus 9 y dash square x square minus 9 plus x square is equal to 0, and this will be the requisite differential equation of the order 1. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.